Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make garlic prawns. So let's get started. I've got here 1 kilo of prawns which I have peeled, cleaned and rinsed well. 1 whole garlic bulb which I have peeled and grated. 1/4 cup of chopped shallots. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 3 tablespoons of butter. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of mixed dried herbs and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To make garlic prawns, take a non-stick fry pan, put it on medium heat, add butter and oil and heat it until the butter has melted and the oil is hot. When your oil gets hot, add garlic, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add shallots and mixed dried herbs. Give it a mix and cook it for 10 seconds. Add prawns, pepper and salt to taste. Mix it well, making sure that you lift all the garlic butter from the bottom to the top so the whole prawns can get coated well. Put a lid on and cook it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, give it a good mix. Taste your salt. It doesn't need any more salt. Now cook it without the lid for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the heat off and my garlic prawns are ready to serve. My garlic prawns are ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.